Hello you all, welcome to the channel. This is Astha, and guys, in this video we're going to discuss about two very good opportunities. Both the opportunities are really good and they are all are eligible to apply for these opportunities. We'll see in detail, so please do watch the video till the end about the eligibility criteria, about your job role, how you need to apply. I'm going to discuss each and every point. Before proceeding, it's a request guys, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to the channel for latest job notifications on daily basis, daily recruitment drives, interview question and answers, interview experiences of the shortlisted candidates I used to upload on regular basis. So please do subscribe to the channel. Guys, here the first opportunity is coming from Larsen and Toubro Infotech company, and they are hiring for the senior engineer role. Yes, senior engineer, cloud and infra services. So this is the profile, experience, or you should have experience of working cloud technologies, good knowledge and experience on Kubernetes, Docker, Kafka deployment. Role is platform support engineer. Location is Bangalore guys, and they are hiring all freshers as well as experienced candidates for this opportunity. So if you have 0 years of experience or up to 3 years of experience, you are eligible to apply. Now if we'll see about the roles and responsibilities, so here you need to have working and conceptual knowledge of IPs, ensuring the IP availability, support experience with handling service request, incident change within SLA, specialty in maintenance infrastructure technologies such as OS, virtual machines and messaging queues, working and conceptual knowledge of networking basics, protocols such as DNS, HTTP, firewall and load balancers, exceptional analytical and conceptual thinking skills, ability in managing end users' expectations and keeping them satisfied, excellent planning, organizational and time management skills. You should have strong communication skills, interpersonal skills and written documentation skills. So guys, these are the skills requirement for this opportunity. If you are a fresher, आप apply कर सकते हैं. आपको 3 years तक का experience है, आप apply कर सकते हैं. 2018, 19, 2020, 2021 बैचेस यहाँ पर apply कर सकते हैं. बहुत अच्छी opportunity है. कोई अगर आप फ्रेशर हैं तो भी कर सकते हैं. तो प्रोफेशनल एक्सपीरियंस रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, बट वट एवर स्किल्स दे हैव मैंशन उसका नॉलेज होना आपको ज़रूरी है. अगर आपको नॉलेज है HTML का, HTTP, फायरवॉल, network related, so guys apply as soon as possible and do mention all the skills requirement in your CV. use the keywords guys, सभी technical words use कीजिए maximum to maximum अपने CV में, so that your CV gets shortlisted. Okay, and for this opportunity you need to apply via their official career page guys. I'll give you a link in the description box. Here you need to come to here this page and you need to log in on their website and need to apply your resume. Okay, upload your resume with all updated one. First, you need to create your account on their page, official career page, then you need to apply for this opportunity. Now, the second opportunity is coming from DXC Technology, guys. DXC Technology is one of the really good company to work with, and they are hiring for associate professional software engineer. Location is Bangalore, and their website, it's now working, guys. You all can apply. Previously, also I shared this video, this recruitment, but at that time, their website was under construction, so now you can apply. They are accepting the applications. Okay, so please apply for the opportunity. It's a really good opportunity guys. If we'll talk about the job description, you need to perform system modeling, simulation, analysis to provide appropriate software solutions to meet and client business needs with high level of guidance and supervision. You need to provide input for documentation, assist in documentation of new or existing programs. You need to participate in designing, developing, troubleshooting and analyzing software programs. So guys, it's a complete software development profile. I'm sure you must be aware. If you don't want, if you want to read out all the details, I'll give you a link in the description box. Read out all the possible notification, all the mentioned points. Talk about the qualifications. So bachelor's degree or equivalent combination of education and experience can apply. Bachelor's degree in computer science, management information system और रिलेटेड फील्ड्स आर प्रेफर्ड. गाइज अप्लाई आप सभी कर सकते हैं, किसी भी ब्रांच से हैं अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, बट यहाँ पर CS और IT वालों को प्रेफरेंस मिलेगा. I have not asked for any professional working experience, but you should have basic understanding of your branches. Okay, so this is the requirement guys. It's a full-time job opportunity. Apply as soon as possible before their link get expire. apply, I'll give you a link in the description box. Go ahead, apply for the same. No application charges are there. And please guys, do share this video with as many people as you can in your WhatsApp groups, in your Facebook groups. Guys, this will really help other candidates also, because opportunities बहुत अच्छी हैं एंड अभी सभी को जॉब की रिक्वायरमेंट है, तो अप्लाई ज़रूर करना है. प्लीज़ शेयर कीजिए वीडियोस को एंड डू हिट दैट लाइक बटन. अगर जो इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको मेरे थ्रू मिल रही है वो यूज़फुल है, प्लीज़ लाइक बटन प्रेस कीजिए. इससे मुझे मोटिवेशन मिलता है कि वॉट एवर इन्फॉर्मेशन आई एम शेयरिंग is useful to you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.